JConcept Kawasaki. The JConcept Kawasaki is not your typical motorcycle. It's a three-wheeled beast designed to transform based on your riding style and mood. Whether you're cruising through city streets in comfort mode or channeling your inner racer in sport mode, the JConcept Kawasaki adapts to your needs. This innovative machine features two single-sided front swing arms. These tilt and steer using a lever system that gives you unmatched control and stability. The rear wheel is powered by an electric motor, providing instant torque and zero emissions. You can switch between riding positions too, from an upright, relaxed stance to a low, aggressive crouch. The JConcept Kawasaki is a glimpse into the future, where technology and design come together to deliver an eco-friendly yet thrilling ride. Lath LMV 496. Priced at around $40,000, the Lath LMV 496 is more than just a motorbike. In seconds, this breathtaking machine can transform into a flying aircraft. Created by French engineer Ludovic Lazareth, known for his futuristic designs, the LMV 496 stands out with its unique capabilities. It features four wheels that conceal jet turbines, generating a massive 1,300 horsepower and 2,800 Newton-meters of thrust. The body is made of a Kevlar carbon composite, ensuring it's both aerodynamic and durable. On the ground, it's a fully electric motorbike with a range of 100 kilometers. The display shows vital information like your current location, speed, altitude, and turbine speed. But the real magic happens with the flip of a switch. The wheels turn into wings, and the jet engines fire up, allowing the rider to take off. Once airborne, you can reach speeds of up to 200 kilometers per hour for a short flight time of around 10 minutes. Only 196 units of the LMV 496 have been produced. With its high price and advanced features, it's made for daring, wealthy riders who are ready to experience both the road and the sky. Rude Cycles Blade. Rude Cycles, an Italian company, is known for its custom electric bicycles. One of their standout creations is the Blade. This bike is designed from the ground up, featuring a Springer fork and a stiff frame. At the heart of the Blade is a powerful Bafang BBS-HD motor, delivering 1,000 watts of power. The rear hub comes with a 3-speed gearbox that's been upgraded to an electronic system, all controlled by a central unit. The front wheel measures 29 inches in diameter, while the rear wheel is 26 inches, giving it a unique stance. The bike also includes a Cisco leather saddle and custom pedals, handcrafted by the rider in a signature logo style. Many parts of the Blade are handmade, including the frame, fork, and fender. Chrome details and custom paintwork give the bike a distinct look, reflecting Rude Cycles' commitment to innovation and craftsmanship. Square-wheeled trike. Introducing the square-wheeled tricycle, a truly novel concept. This tricycle, as the name suggests, uses square wheels. But how does it work? It glides smoothly along a specially designed track. The track is key to making this unusual design possible. A continuous tread wraps around the outside of each wheel, made by slicing rubber tires and combining them with bike chains. While the square wheels don't roll in the traditional sense, the tricycle moves effortlessly on the track. You could think of it as a pedal-powered tank. The track's design mimics a series of inverted catenaries, allowing the rotating axis to stay level, providing a smooth ride. Despite its unconventional appearance, the tricycle offers a surprisingly pleasant ride. However, it's best suited for flat, even surfaces. It may struggle on rough terrain or steep hills. This inventive tricycle is based on the research of Stan Wagon, a mathematics professor at Mester College. His work has turned this concept into a popular exhibit at the National Museum of Mathematics. Xtrax Esport Electric Quad Bike. The Xtrax Esport Quad Bike offers an exciting ride for young adventurers. It's the latest model in Funbike's electric quad series, designed to deliver both fun and safety. Priced at £998, it's perfect for thrill-seeking kids and teens. Powered by a 48-volt neodymium magnet DC motor, the Xtrax Esport packs impressive power. Its 20 amp-hour lead-acid battery ensures long-lasting performance, allowing for extended rides. The bike is equipped with a low-maintenance shaft drive, paired with a high-torque gear ratio, making it ideal for various terrains. Whether it's gardens, hills, or off-road tracks, this quad bike handles them all with ease. Safety is a top priority. The Xtrax Esport comes with front and rear hydraulic disc brakes, ensuring reliable stopping power. The fully enclosed footwells keep feet protected, preventing them from being trapped under the quad or its wheels. For added visibility, the bike also features front and rear lights, making it safer to ride in low light conditions. Leaper Kim Veteran Patton. The Leaper Kim Veteran Patton is a powerful electric unicycle built for adventure. With a 3,000-watt motor, this beast can easily tackle slopes and reach speeds of up to 50 miles per hour. It offers a range of up to 70 kilometers on a single charge, thanks to its massive 2,220-watt battery. Its aircraft-grade aluminum chassis is designed for durability and can handle any terrain. The hydraulic suspension system lets you adjust the ride for smoothness and comfort, making it perfect for both urban streets and off-road paths. The versatile 16-inch tire adds to its adaptability. Whether you're navigating city streets or venturing off the beaten path, the Veteran Patton performs flawlessly. Its built-in jumping pads allow you to pull off tricks and clear obstacles with ease. The futuristic design is sure to turn heads wherever you go. More than just a mode of transport, the Leaper Kim Veteran Patton is a lifestyle statement. This all-terrain unicycle will challenge you and unlock your hidden potential. Quadro IV. The Quadro IV is a unique vehicle that doesn't fit neatly into either the motorbike or car categories. With its 4 wheels and ability to lean up to 40 degrees on curves, this scooter offers unmatched stability and agility. It's ideal for city rides or suburban commutes. Powered by a 346cc single-cylinder engine, it produces 30 horsepower and 24.5 Nm of torque. The Quadro IV's hydraulic tilting mechanism adapts the wheels to different road conditions, providing a smooth and safe ride. It also features an automatic transmission and a combined braking system, making it easy to handle. Comfort and practicality are key with the Quadro IV. It offers a roomy seat, a large storage compartment, and a central locking system. Designed to ensure the comfort and safety of 2 passengers, this vehicle merges the fun of a scooter with the security of a car. For anyone looking for a unique driving experience, the Quadro IV is an innovative and affordable choice. Quiggle Folding Bike. The Quiggle Folding Bike stands out from other folding bikes. It's designed to be the most space-efficient bike you'll find, making it ideal for city dwellers, tourists, and explorers. Whether you're navigating urban streets or embarking on an adventure, this bike is the perfect travel companion. One of its standout features is how quickly and effortlessly it gets you to your destination. Thanks to its unique upright riding posture, you can enjoy the wind in your hair and take in the sights around you, all while feeling comfortable and in control. The Quiggle Folding Bike folds down in just 10 seconds, thanks to its simple yet elegant folding mechanism. When folded, it becomes compact, making it easy to store or carry. Built from durable stainless steel, its powertrain and frame resist corrosion and wear, so it's built to last. This bike represents more than just a mode of transportation. It's about freedom and flexibility, giving you the ability to explore wherever you want, whenever you want. The Quiggle Folding Bike adapts to your life, not the other way around. Ola Electric Bike Diamond Head. The Ola Electric Bike Diamond Head is turning heads as the standout model among the 4 electric motorcycles Ola introduced in 2023. Its striking design includes a unique D-shaped windscreen with an LED strip and sleek clip-on handlebars. What really makes the Diamond Head special is its oversized front swing arm, which might mean it uses a hub-centered steering system. A big switch from the usual telescopic forks found on most bikes. Plus, it boasts a belt drive system instead of the traditional chain drive. This means it's not only quieter but also requires less upkeep. The Diamond Head is definitely a bold step forward in motorcycle design.